Today I'm going to show you how to stream across multiple platforms like Kick, YouTube, Twitch at once for free. And you don't have to worry about watermarks, subscription fee. First, you're going to need to download OBS. I drop a link below. Make sure that your OBS is up to date. Just head over to Help menu and check for updates right there. Okay, now we can close OBS. Next, we are going to grab the plugin that makes all of this possible. I leave the link below. Click on the link, then choose go to download right there. Okay, you scroll down, then find the English version. OBS Multi RTMP window installer. There is one more thing I want to talk about. You have to make sure that the plugin is compatible with your OBS version. For example, this is for OBS 30.0.0, and I'll go back to my OBS studio and check out. Okay, there is my version 30.0.0. So that means our OBS and the plugin is compatible. Now you can go ahead and click on the download. Now you click on, if your browser blocks the download file, just click on download suspicious file. It is totally safe. Everyone. Next, you click on the file you have just downloaded and then hit install. And now you are ready to go. Now next, open your OBS again. Go to the top, dock. Click on it, and now you choose multiple output. Now you can add a new target. This is going to your stream. Like for example, I'm going to rename it to Kick. For example, I'm going to stream on Kick. Now head over to Kick URL. Go to settings, and then from there I can copy my stream key and stream URL. Copy it. Okay, copy there. And stream key also. And check the box here. About encoder, you can get it from OBS. If you're using X264, and then the output will be X264. And then hit OK. So if you want to stream on Twitch, YouTube, you can hit a new target here. When you're done with your setup, you can click on Start All to start your streaming. I'm going to start on Kick. Yes. As you can see, I'm streaming on Kick right now. It's pretty simple. I hope this video helped you out. Like if you like the video. Thank you.